will construct the table. Table is little bit tough. The frequency is common for x and y, common frequency. Same thing you have to multiply. 17 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. The relation between x and y is about 91% positive is good. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramania, Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidyashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. I am going to hand 5th semester statistics for management for BBA. Today we are going to discuss about the table correlation. We already solved one problem. What is actually correlation means? It is nothing but a relation between the two variables x and y. Now, we are going to construct a table and made the correlation whether the relation is good or not. If the answer comes positive, the relation is good. If the answer comes negative, the relation may not be good here. So, which are the two variables, x and y we take. So, frequency remains the constant for x and y. Whether the variable is good or not, we are going to discuss now. We'll move on to the problem now. So this is your formula. We can write this r as small also. You can write r as sigma f dx dy minus sigma f dx into f dy divided by sigma f dx into f dy. This is f dx into f dy divided by root of sigma f dx square minus sigma f dx whole square divided by n. This square only for this number into f dy square minus f dy whole square divided by n. So this is the formula for that. Sigma f dx dy minus sigma f dx into f dy divided by n divided by sigma f dx square minus sigma f dx whole square divided by n into sigma f dy square minus sigma f dy whole square divided by n. Slowly we'll construct the table. Table is little bit tough. Slowly we can go. So this is the formula. So the problem is given 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, 55 to 65, 20 to 30. This goes in favor of x. This goes in favor of x. This is y. The frequency is common for x and y, common frequency. The total number of frequency is 100. So how to solve? I'm going to take. So what is correlation? It is a relation between the two variables x and y. We'll slowly solve the problem because it is a table correlation. It is a must problem. It is a must problem. It is a must problem. So we'll go to the problem now. So 15 to 25, 25 to 35, 45 to 55. So this goes to x, this goes to y. Though this can be written as f dx dy. So if we add the frequency 5, 9, 3, 17, 10, 25. So here one steps now. Here 20 to 30 you can take the mid value or not necessary. You can put the 0 here. 20 to 30, 40, 50 here. 25, 30, 40. Here 25 to 35, 40, 50, 70. Here add 35 plus 40, 60. Difference is 60. This is 80. This is 100. 120. Here 20 to 30 is 50. Bit value is 25. 35. 45. 55. 65. So put the 0 here. First one. First this as 0. Assumed as 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. I assume the first number as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also the first number as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I assume first number as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So slowly we can go. This is your frequency. So this is your dx. This is your dy. Careful. So carefully, f now, what is the next one? F dx, 17 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. Same thing you have to multiply. 17 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. Second one, 27 ones are 27. 27 ones are 27. Next, 15 twos are 30. 30 twos are 60. Multiply the same number 2 times. So 25 into 3, 75. 75 into 3, 225. So 6 into 4 is 24. 24 into 4 is 96. I will repeat. 17 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 27 ones are 27. 27 ones are 27. 30, 15 into 2 is 30. 30 into 2 is 60. 25 into 3 is 75. 75, 3 into 2, 25. 6 into 4 is 24. 24 into 4 is 93. Same number. F dx means f dx into dx. That's all. What is f dx square? This is f dx into dx. F dx into dx. That's all. Now, last one, f dx square here. Add the figure. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 4. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 4, 16. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 13, 15. 156. 100. This is n. Add this. 7 plus 5, 12 plus 6, 18. 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. 9, 11, 20. 408. Check the number once again. This is 27 plus 60 plus 225 plus 96, 408. Come back here. If you add this, no, 10 plus 19, 20 here. So here, 5 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 21s are 20. 21s are 20. See this? 0 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0 is 0. 21s are 20. 21s are 20. This number is 2. So here 44. 44 into 2. This 2. This remember. This is your dy. So 20. This is your dy. 44 into 2. 88. 88 into 2, 176. Same number once again you multiply. Same dx you multiply. Same thing. 24 into 3 is 72. 72 into 3, 216. 7 into 4 is 28. 28 into 4. 28 into 4. 112. Add the figure. This is 20 plus 88 plus 72 plus 28. 208. Add this. 20 plus 176 plus 216 plus 112, 524. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 12, 14, 1 plus 2, 3, 10, 11, 12, 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2, 4, 5. 524 is correct. 7 plus 5, 12, 16, 1 plus 2, 3, 6, 13, 15 is correct. 7 plus 5, 12, 18, 3, 9, 11, 20, correct. The last one, f dx dy. Carefully you have to do. This is the numbers you got. Slowly you have to do here. This is your constant number here. This is your constant number. So here 5 into 0 is 0. All 0 will come. Here numbers no. 0 into 0 is 0. 1, 1. Here no number is there. No number is there here. Here no number is there. So 1, 0, 0 into 9 is 0. All 0 will come here. Nothing there. Come back here. 1 ones are 1. Slowly do. 1 ones are 1. 1 tens are 10. 1 ones are here. 1 twos are 2. 2 ones are 2. No number is there. Come back here. 2 into 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 25s are 50. 2 twos are 4. 12 fours are 48. 2 threes are 6. 6 fours are 24. See that 2 0 0. 2 ones are 2 fives are 50. 2 twos are 4. 4 12s are 48. 2 threes are 6. 6 fours are 24. No number is there. Come back here. No number. Here. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. 6 twos are 12. 3 threes are 9. 9 into 16. 9 into 16. 144. Then 3 fours are 12. 12 fours are 48. Last one, 4. This is nothing, 0. Here also 0, nothing is there. Nothing is there. 4 ones are, nothing is 0, 0. This is actually nothing is nil, 0. This is 0, 0. Nothing is there, 0. 4 threes are, 4 twos are 0 here. 4 threes are 12. 12 fives are 60. 4 fours are 16. 16 twos are 32. If anything is not there, it is 0. Here no. 4 ones are 4. This 0. 4 threes are 12. Here no. 4 twos are 8. Nothing is 0. 4 threes are 12. 12 fives are 60. 4 fours are 16. 16 twos are 32. Okay. So whatever in the box, you have to make the total. This is 0. Come back here. Second one. 50 plus 10. 60 plus 6. 66. Then 48 plus 2 is 50. 62. Third one. 24 plus 144 plus 60. 98. Here 24 plus 144 plus 60, 228. Next, 48 plus 32, 80. Add the figure. Six plus 2, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 6, 13. 30, 15, 8, 23. 2 plus 2 is 436. Now add this, no? This is 0. This is 10 plus 2, 12. This is 8 plus 4, 12. 1 plus 5, 6, 10, 12, 122. Here, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 4, 12, 8, 20. 2 carry, 2 plus 1, 3, 7, 11, 210. This is 92. Add 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4 plus 3, 13. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 436. Check. This is called check line. So f dx dy, f dy dx should be one and the same. Here, no? You must be very careful about this, no? 0 into 0 is 0. All 0 will come here. 1 ones are 1, 1 tens are 10, 1 twos are 2, 2 ones are 2. Here, nothing is there. 2 ones are, 2 fives are, 2 twos are, 2 fours are 28, 2 threes are 6, 6 fours are 24. Nothing is there. Here, if you have got a doubt, you can ask me. Here, 3. Here, 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 nines are 16 is 144. 3 fours are 12. 12 fours are 48. So same thing. This remain constant. You have to take this number and multiply. So both should be one and the same. Should be one and the same. Now you have to apply carefully the formula. R is equal to sigma f dx dy minus sigma f dx into sigma f dy divided by n divided by root of sigma f dx square minus sigma f dx whole square divided by n into sigma f dy square minus sigma f dy whole square divided by n. Carefully you have to apply. What's your formula? Sigma f dx dy minus sigma f dx into f dy divided by n divided by root of sigma f dx square minus sigma f dx whole square divided by n into sigma f dy square minus sigma f dy whole square divided by n. Slowly apply now. R is equal to, what is sigma f dx dy? See that? 436 minus, what is sigma f dx? Here sigma f dx is 156 into your sigma f dy 208. Number of frequency n is 100 divided by root of f dx square. Your f dx square is 408 minus 156 whole square divided by 100 into f dy square 524 minus 208 whole square divided by n. Carefully observe. So f dy square you can understand. This is f dy square 524. Okay, we'll go slowly. 436 minus 156 into 208 divided by 100, 324.48 divided by root of 436, 156 into 2 divided by 324, 408 minus, so 156 into 156 divided by 100, 243.36 into 524 minus 208 into 208 divided by 100, 432.64. Simplification as per cap. Deduct 436 pi minus 324.48, 111.52 divided by root of 408 minus 243.36, 164.64, making simplification, that's all, into 524 minus 524, here no, 524 minus 432.64, 91.36, 91.36. Next now, R is equal to 111.52 divided by root of, multiply this, 164.64, 164.64 into 91.36. So that is, it will come 1504, 1504, 15.51. It is 111.52 root of this 122.64 divide root of this 122.64. Now 111.52 divided by 122.64, 0.909, you can say R is equal to 0.91. So less than 1, your answer is correct. So we'll apply probable error. Probable error, it is called PE 0.6745 into 1 minus R square divided by 100. This is the formula. Probable error is equal to 0.6745 into 1 minus R square divided by root n is equal to 0.6745 into 1 minus 0.91 whole square root of 100. This is 0.6745 into 1 minus 0.91 into 0.91. 0.91 into 0.91. 0.8281 root of 100 is 10. Deduct 0.6745 1 minus 0.8281 0.1719 divided by 10. 0.1719 divided by 10. That is 0.6745 into 0.01719 into 0.6745. Probable error is equal to 0.0115, less than 1. Surely, slowly you have to apply the formula. Probable error is equal to 0.6745 into 1 minus R square divided by root n, 0.6745 into 1 minus 0.91 whole square root of 100, 0.6745, 1 minus square of this number is 0.8281. So 0.6745, 1 minus of this 0.1719 divided by 10. 0.6755, it is 0.01719. If you multiply, it comes 0.01. So 0.1 is the mistake, that's all. Slowly we have to apply. Definite problem is there. very definite. R should become less than 1. Your error is 0.01. The relation between X and Y is about 91% positive. Means very, very good relation they have got between the X and Y. Slowly we have to solve the problem regarding this. No, this should be, this is constant. Carefully you have to do that. 0 into 0 all will same. 1 into 0 will come 1 ones are, 1 tens are, 1 twos are, 2 ones are. Come here, 2 into 0, 0. 2 ones are, 2 15s are, 2 fours are, 12 fours are, 2 threes are, 6 fours are. Here 3 into 0, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 twos are, 6 twos are, 3 threes are, 144, 3 fours are, 12 fours are. You must be very careful. So this, when you check the line, f dx dy, f dy, this is called check line, both should be one and the same. And the probable error P is less than 0.01 is the perfect you got. So hope you have followed that. In the next session, we'll solve one more problem of this stable correlation. This is a definite problem from the examination of point of view. So please work out on this problem. If you have got any error, you can ask in the question answer section about that Q&A. I will answer your every question is possible. Still, if you have a doubt, you can come to the college, take the permission of the principal and meet me. We'll discuss about the correlation. Till then, goodbye.